In this video, we're going to learn about the ArcMap save as type and how you can save your work, how you can export your work. Before we go to the mapping section, the next section is going to be mapping section anyways. So, for example, let's say that you are working on a file, you're working on a project and it's half done, you're not finished with it, so you cannot export the final JPG format or the shapefile format, but you need to save this interface, and then when you start working again, you need to be here at the place where you have done a lot of work and a bit more is left. So for example, this is a real example because I'm very tired right now making these videos, so I'm not going to be continuing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save my entire interface with whatever I was working on will be saved there just the way I am leaving it right now. I can reopen it when I come back and it will be at the same place. So how you can do that is you can go to file, you can either do a save or you can do a save as. Okay, so I'm doing a save as right now. So whatever you do a save or save as in ArcMap, the file type is .mxt file type. It is not a shapefile, it is not a raster file, it is a work file of ArcMap, which is the extension is known as .mxt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a save as. When you go to save as, you can this save as, sorry about that, not a share as, it's a save as. Click on the save as. There we go. Now this was the project I was working on when I was a undergraduate student. Sorry about that. Let's go to our desired place. Resource of data. They're going here. I'm going to write let's just say tired map. Okay, let's do a save here, quick save. Now the save has been done. Now if your work was finished and if you wanted to say you send it to a client, now the client does not have the ArcMap or the ArcGIS installed because they do not work on it. That's why they have sent their work to you. So how you can send your work to them is you can either give a PDF version, you can either give a JPG version, you can either give a PNG version. Sorry, I call JPG, sorry, I don't know why I do that. You can either send a PNG version, so whatever they want to do that. What I'm going to do is, for example, I want to send them this USA map that I have worked on. So we go there on the file, then we go to export map, click on export map. There you go, we have export map now, and in export map you can change the resolution from here, you can change the width, you can change the height, and when you save it, it is going to be saved as JPEG file. You can also change the type of the file to PDF, to TIFF, which is also a file that cannot be opened with ArcGIS. So we can choose PDF or we can choose JPEG to send it to our client. Okay, and if you click on save, it will be saved there. All right, so I'm not saving it currently because I don't need to. Now if you let's just say I close all of this. There you go, I've cleaned my workspace. Now I want to start my work from where I was at, so I am going to click on file, then I'm going to click on open. From open, here you can see the file I have saved, the MXT file called tired map. Now I'm just going to select that and click on open. Alright, so it seems I need to close my ArcMap first, so let me clear the background just a bit. Alright, so I'm going to be closing my ArcMap right now. So let's close it. No. Okay, now I'm going to reopen my ArcMap. There we go, ArcMap. Okay, now you can see the recent files that I have worked on are showing here. Since I have saved the tired MXT file, it is also showing here. I can click on open to open the MXT file, or if you accidentally close it up, you can go to file, go to open, and then from there you go to your target folder. Here's the MXC5, click on open, and here we go. Our file is now open just where I left it. We have found it back again where we have left it. So that is how you can save your work in progress. This is how you can export your finalized work, and from the next section we're going to take a look at how we can make maps. So this is a map too, but I'm talking about actual maps with legends and longitude, latitude values, etc, etc, all those stuff actually. So we're going to take a look at that from the next video onward, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.